Hello everyone, you're watching RDX Goa's news bulletin with me Leena Naik. To begin with, let's take a look on the headlines. Forest Minister Alina Saldana threatens to resign if special status is not awarded to Goa. Goa Convention of Workers demand minimum wage of 12,000 for industrial workers. And Congress alleged Chief Minister for giving extension to 26 officers demands clarification. Now the news in detail. Forest Minister Alina Saldana have threatened to give resignation if Goa is not awarded the special status. She said that she will be visiting centre with a delegation to place her demand. She further said that state government is very much serious in getting special status to Goa. Gautam Shirodkar reports from Panjim.
Goy chor daksule goy. Amche goy is so small that it is smaller than the smallest district of any of our neighboring states. Special status amchi goros. Ami na amka time korun na mun ami na time waste korpak yeun na. आम्ही जाणा की आमकां स्पेशल स्टेटस मेळून दिना जाल्यार आनी 5 वर्सांनी थोडे गोंयकार रस्त्यार दिश्टी पडपाक एकदम कठीण जातलें. आवाज सांगूंक सोदता की बीजेपी गव्हर्नमेंट, द गोवा गव्हर्नमेंट इज वेरी सिरियस अबाउट ग्रांटिंग स्पेशल स्टेटस फॉर गोवा. सिरियस नाशिल्ले जाल्यार आमी हे रेजोल्यूशन इन द असेंब्ली पास करची नाशिल्ले. Our honorable CM passed the resolution and he does what he believes is right for the people of Goa, to vote for a government that is in Goa at the center, because that is the government that will give us special status. And if the BJP comes to at the center, I state my, what should I say? Okay, I'll decide if they don't give us special status. Picturesque landscape of Goa, they fall in love with the people of Goa because we are special. We have to protect our special uniqueness. We have to protect our culture. Let us stay united. एकठांय रावया आणि कोणूय आमकां कितेंय म्हणीत जायते म्हणटात आतां चड लेट जालें. It is never too late. Ask what is ours by right. मोगाळ भावा भयणीनो, गोडेक आमी आमची ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी चुकूंक ना, पूण आमकां आमची ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी आमकां मेळोंक ना. कित्याक जेन्ना फर्स्ट Constituent Assembly घडून हाडलेली to frame the constitution of the country. At that time, the Constituent Assembly had representatives from all the states. सगळे स्टेटीचे representatives आशिल्ले त्या स्टेटी आनी एकल्यान आपल्यो गरजो फुडें काडल्यो. पूण तेन्ना गोंय was a Portuguese colony, and so we did not get the opportunity to be present at the first Constituent Assembly, and that is the reason why we did not get a chance, an opportunity to place our demand. But now it is never too late. We will stay together along with our government. Our government will deliver, and let us have faith in our government. And like I said, vote right. I'm not talking about the future, I'm talking about this time. Vote right and you will get special status for Goa, and that is not for you, not for me, but for our children, for the future of our children. Let's stay together. Unity is the is strength.
Goa Convention of Workers demanded that the industrial workers should be paid minimum wages of rupees 12,000. A rally is being organized on 25th September at Panchim and Margao to stage their demands, informed Advocate Suhas Naik. Gautam Shirodkar reports from Panchim.
कामगार संघटनांनी जे आंदोलन उभे केल्ले आसा त्या आंदोलनाची धग या सरकाराकडे पावपाक जाय, तांकां जाग येवपाक जाय, आमचे प्रश्न जे आसा ते सुटावे जावपाक जाय, त्या प्रश्नाचेर बारीकसाणान हांगा चर्चा जातली. 13 डिमांड्स आमचे आसात. आमच्यो मागणी आसा की कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट सिस्टम हिंदुस्थानांतल्यान नानपय जावपाक जाय. कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट सिस्टमाचेर खंयचोच कामगार काम करपाक फावना, ताका स्थायी नोकऱ्यो मेळपाक जाय, ताका परमनंट जॉब मेळपाक जाय. आमची मागणी आसा की म्हारगाय जी दिसपट्टी वाडत आसा शिमानी मेर नासतना ती कंट्रोलान येवपाक जाय. सरकारान जीवनावश्यक वस्तू प्रत्येक मनशाक तेजो पुरवठो करूंक जाय नियंत्रीत दरान. आमची मागणी आसा की जो मिनिमम वेजीस आसा तो मिनिमम वेजीस लिंक टू डियरनेस अलावन्स फायज जावपाक जाय आनी कमीत कमी मिनिमम वेज 10,000 जावपाक जाय. हो नॅशनल डिमांड आसा, पूण गोंयच्या धर्तीचेर आमी तर डिमांड घेतलो. आमचो डिमांड आसा कमीत कमी मिनिमम वेज गोंया खातीर 12,000 जावपाक जाय. त्याच प्रमाणे आमचो प्रोविडंट फंड, आमचे पेन्शन हे काडून प्रायव्हेट हातींनी दिता ते बंद जावपाक जाय. कामगार जेन्ना रिटायर जावन घरा वता तेन्ना तेजे एकूच पुंजी आसता ती म्हटल्यार प्रोविडंट फंड आनी ग्रॅच्युटी. तीच जर काडून प्रायव्हेट एम्प्लॉयराच्या हातीन दिली जाल्यार ती सेफ उरची ना. दॅट विल बी यूज इन द स्टॉक मार्केट, दॅट विल बी यूज इन अदर कॉम्पिटिटिव्ह मार्केट्स अँड यू नो द मार्केट फोर्सीस एक दीस वयर वता एक दीस सकयल येता. सो हेजे कडेन कामगारांच्या भवितव्या खेळ मांडपाक जायना आनी हे सगळे डिमांड घेवन गोंयच्यो सगळ्यो कामगार संघटना एकठांय आयिल्ले आसात आनी राष्ट्रीय कामगार संघटना बरोबर आमी जोडून आमकां घेतलेले आसात आनी जे प्रोग्राम्स राष्ट्रीय कामगार संघटना आमकां दितले ते सगळे प्रोग्राम्स, ते सगळे डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन, ती सगळी आंदोलनां गोंयचे कामगार संघटना फुडें व्हरतले. हो आमी आयज निश्चय केला आनी गोंय मांडावळीचेर 25 तारखेर सप्टेंबराच्या साऊथ गोवान एक व्हडलें डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन जातलें आनी नॉर्थ गोवान एक व्हडलें डेमॉन्स्ट्रेशन जातलें. 2 आंदोलनां गोंयांत 25 सप्टेंबराक कामगारांचे हक्क, सर्वसामान्य लोकांचे हक्क, आम आदमीचे हक्क सांबाळपा खातीर आमी करतले.
Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has given extension to 27 government officers in past 1.5 years and he should give clarification over it, demanded Congress spokesperson Sudeep Tamankar. The Congress have demanded the clarification over the extension of these officers. Gautam Shirodkar reports from Panjim.
मार्च 2012 हेच्या पयलीं जेन्ना गोंय राज्यान काँग्रेस सरकार चलताले, काँग्रेस सरकार जेन्ना चलताले आनी विरोधी पक्ष नेतो मनोहर पर्रीकर आसतना काँग्रेस सरकाराच्या कार्यकाळान जर एक ऑफिसराक जर एक्सटेन्शन दिले जाल्यार गोंयची विधानसभा अक्षरशः माथ्यार घेवप आनी विधानसभे भायरूय मोठ्या प्रमाणात काँग्रेस पक्षाचेर आरोप करप आनी एलिगेशन करप जे एलिजिबल ऑफिसर आहा तेंचेर काँग्रेस सरकार अन्याय करता, भ्रष्टाचाराक बळकटी दिता आनी खंय तरी चोरपाक जाय म्हणून त्याच अधिकाऱ्यांक त्या जाग्यार दवरता अशे आरोप करणारो मनीस जवळ जवळ आता 17 म्हयन्या भितर 27 ऑफिसरांक एक्सटेन्शनां दिता. हेचे उत्तर खंय तरी आयज हेचे स्पश्टीकरण खंय तरी आयज गोंय राज्याचो मुख्यमंत्री मनोहर पर्रीकरा कडेन आमी आयज ह्या प्रेस कॉन्फरन्सांच्यान मागता. आता ही 27 जी पळय एक्सटेन्शनां आसा पळय ती डिपार्टमेंट हांव घेता. PWD डिपार्टमेंट पळय आसा हितून 3 एक्सटेन्शनां दिल्ली आसा. आर्ट एंड कल्चर डिपार्टमेंट आसा तितून एक, गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज आसा तितून 3 एक्सटेन्शन, फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंटान 1 एक्सटेन्शन, सेशन कोर्ट जो आसा तितून एक, म्हापसा हॉस्पिटल जे आसा डिस्ट्रिक्ट म्हापसा हॉस्पिटल तितून 2, फायर ब्रिगेड जे आसा फायर फोर्स जो आसा तितून एक, एज्युकेशन डिपार्टमेंटान एक, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिपार्टमेंटान एक कलेक्टर साउथ गोवा कलेक्टर ऑफिसरांनी एक मागीर रजिस्ट्रार ऑफिसान एक फिशरीज डिपार्टमेंटान 3 पोलीस डिपार्टमेंटान एक आर्किओलॉजी डिपार्टमेंटान एक आर्कवायज म्हणून आसा तितून एक कमर्शियल टॅक्स एक आनी गोवा सिव्हिल सर्व्हिस एक मागीर रेजिडेंट कमिशनर म्हणून पळय जो पोस्ट आसा तोय परत एक्सटेन्शनाचेर थंयसर एक दिल्ले आसा एनिमल हजबंड्रीन एक आनी एज्युकेशनान म्हणून टोटल 27 एक्सटेन्शनां ह्या सरकाराच्या कार्यकाळान दिल्ली आसा 9 मार्च 2012 ते 5/8/2013 पर्यंत.
More news will follow after a short commercial break.
High-speed broadband internet now in your area. Internet at home, in office, for gaming, for every professional. No more waiting. Call 8888886109 or go to www.ethernetexpress.com.
The UK concept-based preschool now in Goa, Sanford, where learning begins. Our schools have spacious, highly colorful, conceptual and air-conditioned classrooms. Sanford Activity Arcade provides rich learning experience to the children. Sanford schools have mini auditorium equipped with small stage and audio-video equipment to give children stage exposure. Play area is equipped with swings, slides, bouncy, mini train, merry-go-round and many other play equipments. The nutritious midday meal is a special facility at Sanford.
Utsav Traders, wholesale distributor and stockist for water tanks. ISO 9001 quality assurance, double layer tank Dolphin with 10 years warranty. Triple layer tanks Jalpari with 20 years warranty. Non-corrosive, excellent strength. At plot number 3, landscape development near Korlim Panchayat, Churchwado, Korlim, Ilas, Old Goa.
Unbeatable Dance Academy presents
Thunder Night 13,
an all-Goa inter-school solo dance competition.
grand finale on 4th October 2013 at Ravindra Bhavan, Margao at 6 p.m.
Live performance by DID Little Master of Fame, Raghav K. Rockstar Rohan.
Dial to dance 9822193700.
Tickets available at
Bombay Garments, Vasco.
Pastry Palace, Margao.
News channel partner RDX Goa. Thunder Night 13.
Bhavani Desi Kendra. Prefer country-made products with great zest and zeal to make the country strong. Address: Shop number 5, Anant Apartment, Naikvado, Kalangut, Bardes, Goa. Distributor for Bardes Taluka. For trade inquiry, contact 9822-122-529 or 9689946529.
सोबीत दृश्य अशें कोणाक दिसना. भांगार सोबीत काय वाडयता. भांगार आनी रुप्या वस्ती खातीर साळकार ज्वेलर्स, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. भांगार म्हारग जाला? येवं नाकात. गोल्ड प्लेटेड कांकणां, पाटली, पिचोडी तोडे घेयात. वैभव ज्वेलर्स, साळकार ज्वेलर्सा सामकार, कदम बस स्टँड, पणजे. हांगा क्रिस्टल माळो आणि हैदराबादी मोतयाय मेळटा. एकदा येयात आणि धादोशी जायात. साळकार ज्वेलर्स.
Fonda Institute of Carving and Catering Technology organizes first Goan Junior MasterChef competition in association with Punjab Maharashtra Bank. Winners rupees 1 lakh, runners rupees 50,000, third chef rupees 10,000, trophy 2-day outside stay. Age limit 5 to 15 years. For workshop, audition and competition, registration started. Last date 15 October. Regular courses in cooking, baking, fruit and vegetable carving. Also 6 months and 1 year diploma in hotel management. 100% placement, education loan provided. For more details, contact 2319298 or 9158767634. Address opposite Lotlekar Apartment, Usmania Building, Naga Masjid, Ponda, Goa.
Welcome back. The connections of founder of Indian Mujahideen Yasin Bhatkar are seen to be quite strong in Port Town, Vasco. His 6 other companions are believed to be staying at Vasco and their names have reached the investigating authorities. According to the information received from the sources, a team of NIA will visit Goa along with Yasin Bhatkar for the further investigations. Anti-terrorist squad and police are investigating in Bhatkar case. The authorities have discovered the evidences of Bhatkar's stay at Vasco in July 2009 and his companions are still residing at Vasco. It has been revealed in the finding of NIA that a holy structure has been constructed at Katebaina by family with the help of his companions. After Supreme Court order on the purview of acid attacks, the state government have decided to keep strict watch and control over sale and possession of acid. A strict action will be initiated against those who breach the laws, informed North Goa Collector Mihir Vardhan and South Goa Collector N.D. Agarwal. Mandar Naik reports from
Directions come from the Honorable Supreme Court of India with reference of sale of acid. As we come notice in the country, a number of the cases happen. People take the acid or thrown on the face of the people. It may be male, it may be female. In view of that, one matter was pending, Lakshmi versus Union of India, before the Supreme Court last number of the years. Finally Supreme Court has issued a directive. On that, state government has issued certain directions and completely controlled the sale of acid in the state. Directions say sale of acid completely prohibited over the counter unless the seller maintain the register or recording the sale of the acid. Seller sell acid only after the buyer has shown the photo identity, a specific reason why he want to purchase it, and acid must be delivered to seller within the concern. They have to give all stock positions to SDM. No acid will sell to the person below the age of 18 years. If anybody violating the directions, there is a penal provision has been imposed. SDMs of the subdivision are empowered to take the actions. They can impose the fine up to the cost of ₹50,000. Institution, research laboratories, hospital, government department who are required to keep the store acid shall be also given the guidelines. They have to maintain the register. They have to make person accountable, and acid shall be stored under the supervision of the senior officer.
The no confidence motion against Bicholim Municipality Chairman Anisha Vednekar and Deputy Chairman Narayan Bedkekar was lost by 5 against 0 votes. The no confidence motion was lost due to absence of 5 councillors for the special meeting. The 5 councillors, namely Riyaj Beg, Balu Verje, Karuna Govekar, Kamlesh Teli and Kamlakar Teli, who moved the no confidence motion against chairman and deputy chairman, remain absent for the special meeting called at municipality at Bicholim. The no confidence motion was dismissed by Chairman Anisha Vednekar, Deputy Chairman Narayan Bedkekar, Councillors Premanand Mayekar, Shashikant Naik and Anita Harmalkar. Sudesh Maikar reports from Bicholim.
प्रामाणिक लोक जे आसा ते एकठांय रावले आणि तेंच्यांनी दिवचलच्या विकासा खातीर प्रयत्न करचो. पयलींचे जे कावन्सील आसले त्या कावन्सिलाकय म्हजो सपोर्ट आसलो आनी ह्या कावन्सिलाकय सपोर्ट आसा. हांव अशें मानिना की हो म्हाजो गट किंवा तो म्हजो गट असो हांव केन्नाच मानूंक ना. सगळे जे कावन्सील आसा ते सगळे दिवचलच्या विकासा खातीर लोकांनी निवडून दिल्ले कावन्सील आसा तेंच्यांनी परत एकदा सांगता तेंच्यांनी प्रामाणीकपणान तेंच्यांनी ह्या दिवचलच्या विकासा खातीर काम करचें. सरकाराचो प्रयत्न आसा की दिवचलचो विकास करपाक आनी त्या विकासा खातीर सरकाराचे 2-3 प्रोजेक्ट दिवचलें येतात. मार्केट कॉम्प्लेक्स आसा, नगर दिवचलचो जो छत्रपती शिवाजी मैदान जे आसा ते अपग्रेड जावपाचें आसा. पुलीस स्टेशनाच्या जाग्यार नवी बिल्डींग येता. कदंबा बस स्टँड जावपाचो आसा. ग्राउंड फूल फ्लेज ग्राउंड म्हणजे स्पोर्ट्स कॉम्प्लेक्स जावपाचो आसा. हेच्या खातीर ह्या कावन्सिलान वावुरचें. म्हजो तांकां पूर्ण म्हजें सगळें सहकार्य आसतलें आनी म्हाका आशा आसा की सरकाराचें सहकार्य तांकां आसतलें.
जेल तशेंच नगराध्यक्ष सौ अनिशा वेर्णेकराचेर जो आज अविश्वास ठराव ज्या लोकांनी हाडलेलो तो अविश्वास ठराव बारगळ्ळो आसा. 5-0 अशा तो फेटाळलेलो आसा. जांच्यांनी आमचेर आरोप केलो की आमी इलिगल कामांक सपोर्ट करता, तर म्हजो तर स्पश्ट आरोप आसा की जांच्यांनी म्हणजे हो इलिगल काम करता ताका सपोर्ट करता म्हणून जो आरोप केला तांकां कसलोच नैतीक अधिकार ना आमचेर आरोप करपाक. कित्याक तर हातूंतले कांय जाण स्वताच इलिगल घरांनी रावतात, इलिगल कामांक सपोर्ट करता म्हणटकूच तांकां खरोच खंयच्याच परिस्थितींत आमचेर आरोप करपाक नैतीक अधिकार ना. ताकाच लागून म्हाका दिसता ते आज 5 जाण आसले ते आज मिटिंगेक उपस्थित रावूंक ना. तांकां कळून चुकलें की तांची चूक आसा ती आरोप केले ते बिनबुडाचे आसा.
Let's take a short commercial break. Keep watching RDX Goa.
Goa State Cooperative Milk Producers Union, Goa Dairy, serving fresh milk since 1984.
Established in 1974, the Pride of Goa, Hotel Fidalgo, situated in the heart of Panjim city on 18 June Road, offers 4-star luxury. Live in style at lavishly designed rooms at affordable rates. 103 elegant rooms with the Fidalgo Food Enclave. Well-equipped venues for banquets and conferences, with 6 halls to choose from. Escape from hectic schedules and pamper yourself at the health spa. Combining business with pleasure, Hotel Fidalgo.
The best of the best. An institute, a name that hotel industry trusts.
खरेंच मनशाच्या नशिबान बरयला ते कोणाच्यानच वाचूंक जायना. पण एन इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ हॉटेल मॅनेजमेंट अँड ऍडमिशन घेवन बरें शिकप करून हॉटेलाचो मॅनेजर जावन फुडाराक तुज्यान एक व्हडलो मनीस जावं येता. देखून ऍडमिशन घे फकत एन इन्स्टिट्यूट पोरवोरेम.
To be the best, you have to learn from the best. An Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, a name that hotel industry trusts. Admissions open for degree and diploma courses. An Institute of Hotel Management and Catering Technology, Goa's first ISO 9001-2000 certified educational institute. Nova Sidadi Commercial Complex, S1 Building, Alto Pororim, Padres, Goa. Contact 0832 241 1350 or 9326 11491.
Welcome back. The Forum of Goans for Goa have demanded to finalize the regional plan as soon as possible, informed the founder of Forum, Kennedy Afonso. Similarly, they have demanded to resume illegal mining in Goa at the earliest. He said that they will not involve any politicians this forum. He was speaking during a press conference. Mandar Naik reports from Margao.
For Goans for Goa is basically
we are more involved in village activities. Like if you have not, I think you have mistaken, our major chunk of activities is forming village groups and the very active forums in the village. In fact, our main thing is why we are forming this village committees is because for the last 10 years, our district planning committees at the district level, our village panchayats, our ward committees have not found any village development plans. So it is the primary goal of this forum is to get this, to assist this ward committees to form their ward committee plans so that they submit to the panchayat and the village committee and the village panchayat then submits the zilla, and they, in the overall Goa we have people's vision for it. That is our primary target. That is where we are very active to assist these ward committees, help in their formation wherever they are not formed. That is our main thing. Overseas advisories are very important because they are part and parcel of Goa and they have a lot to contribute to Goa by way of ideas, funds, and maybe they may be able to fund some of the activities that we conduct. I am not sure as yet, but we have included them in. I think it is already last time a big exercise was done, and but still it is on hold. GFG, Goans for Goa. Since we are now trying to form this people's vision of a plan at the grassroots level, for us we will not be able to move forward until and unless the regional plan is in place. Because unless the demarcations are made, we will not be able to form a people's vision, a grassroots plan for every village.
The recently formed Goans for Goa is gang of Churchill Alemao LH Nazareth Pinto. He said that this gang has been looting Goa with Churchill Alemao and Goans and will not support this forum. Mandar Naik reports from Margao.
A new NGO Golamon, so called the Goan for Goans. जे नावां पेपराचेर रिपेर जालें तें आयकून हांव एकदम शॉक जालो. कित्याक हे मनीस जे NGO म्हूण भायर सरले एज अ वॉचडॉग्स म्हूण तेमी कितें केलें तितल्या लोकांक वॉच केलो ना. आनी जेन्ना चर्चिल PWD मिनिस्टर जालो ते दोसून हे तेजे भागीदार सगळे आंट्यान भाग घेवपाक आनी जें कितें आज गोंयांत लुटलां तें जें लुटपाक. आनी हे मनीस वॉचडॉग केन्ना जावपाक शकना. आयज जरी तर वॉचडॉग जातले मनीस पयलो आपण सारका आसूंक जाय दुसऱ्याक वॉच करपाक. आनी ही नांव आयकून it is not a NGO but is a gang, other side of gang of Churchill. एक पयशां दुखून वॅल्यूड आसता दोनी ओदान प्रिंट आसता आनी हे NGO एक सायड चर्चिल आनी एक सायड हे. जेन्ना हे मनशान केन्ना म्हणून जायना वी आर वॉचडॉग फॉर गोवन्स म्हणून. कित्याक हे मनशांनी गोंय लुटिलां. हे मनशान लुटील तें लोकांक चोयलां आनी एक लागून आज लोकांक हे Alemao family कितें दाखयलां.
Before we wind up, here is the recap of the headlines. Forest Minister Alina Saldana threatens to resign if special status is not awarded to Goa. Goa Convention of Workers demand minimum wage of 12,000 for industrial workers. And Congress alleged Chief Minister for giving extension to 26 officers demands clarification. This news bulletin ends here. To follow the recent news and activities, keep watching RDX Goa. You can also watch the news on www.rdxgoa.com as well as on YouTube. Goodbye.